Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher, and we have to get this application from the Lutin developer. So let's install. Let's click open. Accept all of the permissions and click on the home button. Right now select iOS Launcher 13 and click always. And in a few moments it is going to load all of the application that we have on our smartphone, so we have to be patient. And here it is, as you can see. So right now we can try to adjust this bottom bar. We can add here the camera icon, and here we can also adjust the widgets. And when you go back to the application, you can try to adjust other things here. For example, the blur effects, animation, wallpaper. You can change the icon name, whatever you want. There's a lot of things that we can customize. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.